Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing the Jabra Evolve 65. This is a professional wireless headset with dual connectivity and amazing sound for calls and music. It supports computer, tablet and phone. Right here there's like the website. And then there's like a bunch of barcodes. It supports Windows Cortana and it is certified for Skype for Business. Let's go ahead and open it. Comes in a nice box. And inside you can see the case. On the box it tells you how to get started. There's a dongle for a computer, and that's how you connect to a computer. And with a smartphone or tablet, you have to hold the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds and then select Bluetooth on your tablet or phone, and then it'll connect. Let's go ahead and open the case. Nice soft case. There's a piece of foam. And then there's the headset. It looks pretty good, and it comes with free concentration music. And there's the broom, which you can put up and attach to a magnet. And then the top and bottom button control the volume. And it has NFC as well. And on this side there are no buttons. But the ear pads are really soft, and the headphones are expandable so it can fit anyone's head. So, as I told you, the broom attaches to the top, which mutes your speaker. It has a nice red trim. And it's really good for calls or video calls because it looks good and it has very good sound quality. Next is the charger. It's like USB, so you can connect it to a Windows computer easily. But if you have a Mac, you might need to get a converter. On the side, there's like on and off buttons, and yeah. And there's the on and off button, and there's a light when you turn it on. It turns blue, and it's connected to Bluetooth. There's a charging port next to the switch. and overall it's a very good headset. And out of 10, I would rate it 9 because it's not that easy to fold up, and the case is a little too big for that size. But anyways, that's my opinion. And that's what it looks like when you folded it up. And the wire as well. So you just open it up as the dongle that you need to plug into your computer. And yeah. And it shows it on the Get Started guide, which is on the box. So that's how you put it inside the case. And then just slot the charging wire in. And then just zip it up. And then underneath there would be some instructions on safety tips. And then there's a quick start guide. But we don't need to read that. Otherwise it'd take a long time. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. Bye!